Kyle, Beatrice, you are here today to affirm your love and devotion for each other. We're gathered here to perform your marriage.
I promise to remain truthful to you in all circumstances of life.
I can see you.
Marriage is the sum of your consents. It is the result of common dreams, goals, and desires set out to give yourself for a better good and to live in perfect harmony next to the person you have chosen to share your life
I
with.
can see you far and
I will
wide.
comfort and support you for as long as we will
Across
live.
the ocean, above the clouds.
As I've told you before, you guys,
In your
you
presence.
complement each other. And you always have each other's back.
I will cherish and respect you, comfort and support you for as long as we both shall live.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Kyle, you make here to ride.